everybody, it's Jerry and Kathy, and we are
Sunny.
And Sunny, of course. Hi, Sunny. We are back from Belize. We're in America now, but Kathy brought back. She found a recipe for something that she really liked in Belize. Are you biting me? Son of a bitch. Okay, so what are you going to cook today, Kathy?
So when we were in Belize, my favorite thing was their stewed beans. They were so good over rice. I ate them almost every day. So I got the recipe and we're gonna try it. Since they're stewed, they need to cook for about 8 to 12 hours. So I broke out my crock pot, my slow cooker, and I'm just gonna dump all the ingredients together and we'll see how it goes. So this is 2 cups of red kidney beans. I'm gonna put that in. And then you want to cover the beans with about twice as much water. So it probably needs another 2 cups. Okay. Then you want to do about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which that's what I had about left in here. So I'm just going to use the rest of it. And a small onion. About a teaspoon of garlic, cumin, a teaspoon, oregano. I mixed what I had outside still that was green and dried. Probably about a teaspoon of that, or to taste. I'm also adding chilies, green chilies, and a couple bay leaves. And I'm gonna do some crushed red pepper because I like it a little spicy. You can do that, you can omit that, or you can do it to taste. Okay, and you can also add salt. I didn't because I used canned kidney beans and they're already pretty salty, so I did not. And I'm just gonna stir all that up. I put it on low. But I'm going to turn it to high just for a couple hours just to get it stewing, and then I'll turn it back to low. And you just need to let it cook for about 8 to 12 hours till it's really all mushy. It kind of has the consistency of refried beans, but not as thick. And then we're going to make some rice and have it over rice, and it's delicious. It's been stewing for a while. Here it is. After the video, I also added a can of black beans that I had just so I would have more and I could like put some aside for the rest of the week. But anyway, that's what it looks like now. It's been, I guess, what, 3.5 hours? It's got a long way to go, I think. It should, as it starts stewing, it should thicken up too. We'll see. It's my first time making it, so I don't know what to expect. Okay, I'm gonna start the coconut rice just because Anna wants some coconut rice. Let me stir this really quick. That's our stewed beans coming along. The liquid's starting to get it absorbed into the beans. Anyway, so I got rice. This is 2 cups. Brown. I like brown rice just because it's better for you. And you want to take. It's always double for rice, liquid to rice. So 2 cups of water, and then you want to take 2 cups of coconut milk. And I use the Thai Kitchen coconut milk, unsweetened. And that's what gives it a lot of the flavor, is the coconut milk. Okay, and you just want to put it on the oven, on the stove, maybe halfway, and then when you see it start to, because you notice the top of the coconut milk is solid and that has to kind of melt, so just stir it lightly until it starts simmering, and then just let it simmer until the rice has absorbed all the liquid. So as it cooks, you'll see that the solid coconut milk, the solid part of the top, has now melted. And you just want to cook this just like rice, just like you would rice. So this has been cooking or stewing for about 6 hours. It seems to be a good consistency, like that, because you're going to put it over rice. So you want it to kind of be a little bit liquid. And I have the rice is cooked too. It looks good. Anna loved it. She had the whole stewed beans and the rice too. She said it was delicious. I'm gonna put that on there. Like that. And then I'm gonna put some of my salsa on top that I made earlier.
What's in the salsa?
Oh, salsa, tomatoes cut up, green peppers, corn, hot sauce, 2 limes squeezed, onions, and fresh cilantro.
So you want to give it a try?
Yes, I'm gonna give it a try.
Is it just like Belize?
So good. Yum. It's really, really good.
So
you should try it.
So I'm gonna type up these ingredients and I'll post it along with the video. And
yes, because everyone has to try it because it's really, really good. A really good vegetarian dish if you don't eat meat. It has beans and everything, so it's really good. I love it. So good.